Don't have a lot of time to do your makeup? Watch me do my makeup in just 5 minutes. Time starts now. So I like to start with brows first. So you want to just comb them up, up. Doesn't have to be perfect. And fill in all the gaps. Alright. Brows are almost ready. Next, I am going to use my brow wax. I got 5 minutes to look decent. So I like to just wax it like upwards and over. Okay, and then you can use the cute little comb brush on the other side and then just kind of fluff it. I'm going to use my Fenty Skin Moisturizer and my Fenty Hydrating Foundation, and I'm going to make a tinted moisturizer out of these two. So I'm going to use 2 pumps of the Fenty Moisturizer and about 1.5 pumps of the Fenty Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to mix that baby up. So I have my SPF, my moisture, and my color all in one. So I'm just gonna put this all over with my precision sponge. I'm just gonna blend it, tap it, perfect it. Next, I'm using my Fenty Glow Cream Blush. Shine bright like a diamond. Let's not forget some concealer. I call this the cure. Now it's time for a fly pencil in Perpetrator. So I like to get right on the lash line. So I love to use these like almost like eyeshadows or just like pencils. So I just kind of apply it and then just rub the pencil onto my eye. Some powder, setting it to forget it. I'm just doing the T-zone mostly. Okay, some lip gloss. I'm using my gloss bomb cream. It's like a 2-in-1. That's everything. And then the finishing touch, my favorite mascara, the Full Frontal Mascara. My time is up. And there you have it, a full face in just 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching.